Hello students, next topic is thermal stability of p block elements, non-metals. Thermal stability of p block elements. First one in hydrides, thermal stability of hydrides. In hydrides, first one now take the fifth group elements, fifth A group elements, that is thermal stability of fifth A group element, that is ammonia, phosphine, arsine, stibine and bismuthine. Hydrates of fifth A group elements, that is nitrogen family. So what is the thermal stability? Generally thermal stability is directly proportional to the bond energy. Thermal stability directly proportional to the bond energy. It is a very most important point, student. Thermal stability is directly proportional to the bond energy. So that is small size depends on size. Small size is always more thermal stability. So here ammonia, phosphine, arsine, stibine, bismuthine. This ammonia is the small size. Small size compound is always force of attraction is very strong. In NH3 that is small size. Here force of attraction is very strong. So that's why bond energy is more requirement. So here bond energy, the thermal stability order is ammonia is greater than phosphine, phosphine is greater than arsine, arsine is greater than stibine, stibine is greater than bismuthine. So thermal stability depends on size. Small size is always more thermal stability. So thermal stability is directly proportional to the bond energy. So the small size of molecule bond is cannot break easily. So here more thermal stability is more in ammonia. So ammonia is greater than phosphine, phosphine is greater than arsine. This is the order. Thermal stability highest is the ammonia, least thermal stability is bismuthine. So this is the important thermal stability. Thermal stability is directly proportional to the bond energy. Ammonia having large bond energy. So here, so this is the more thermal stability. Then thermal stability depends on bond strength also. Thermal stability depends on bond strength also. Ammonia has the more bond strength, that's why it is the thermal stability is more. So this is the order of in hydrides. Ammonia is greater than phosphine. If you take the 6th A group elements, in 16th group elements, in 6th group element, that is oxygen family, what is the thermal stability? H2O having high thermal stability. H2O is greater than H2S, H2S is greater than H2Se, H2Se is greater than H2Te. This is the thermal stability order. Thermal stability down the group decreases due to the increase the size. If we increase the due to the thermal stability down the group decreases due to the increase the size. It is the very most important, students. This is the thermal stability of hydrides in p block elements. And 7th A group elements, in 7th A group elements, thermal stability is order is HF, hydrogen fluoride, HCl, HBr, HI. So the reason it is HF is the more thermal stability due to the HF is the more thermal stability due to the small size. Because of in small size molecule bond cannot break easily, so that's why more thermal stability. So HF is more thermal stability is greater. HF is more greater than that of HCl. HF is greater than that of HCl. HCl is greater than that of HBr. HBr is greater than that of HI. This is the thermal stability of order in hydrides. Then now in methane, in fourth group elements, fourth group also depends on size only. So highest thermal stability CH4 and CiH4, germanium hydride, tin hydride, lead hydride. This is the thermal stability. Carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead. So highest thermal stability in methane. So it is the very most important thermal stability order. And one more question, student, from in thermal stability depends on bonds also, bond order also. This N2 bond order is 3. So thermal stability is thermal stability is directly proportional to the bond order. Here the N2 is the bond order is 3. So here in N2 molecule it contain triple bond. So this is the higher thermal stability. And O2 is bond order is O2 in oxygen molecule having double bond, so high thermal stability. Then in fluorine molecule single bond, so it is the thermal stability of order. N2 is greater than O2, O2 is greater than F2. This is the thermal stability order. And what about that in CO2 and SiO2? In CO2 molecule, CO2 carbon dioxide, here it contains CO2 molecule, it contains 2 sigma bonds and 2 pi bonds. It contains 2 sigma bonds and 2 pi bonds. But in silicon dioxide is 4 sigma bonds are there. So here silicon having SiO4, that is according to the silica structure, that is single bonds are there. So here this CO2 and SiO2 is the highest bond energy. SiO2 is the more thermal stability due to the more number of sigma bonds. In SiO2 is more number of sigma bonds are there, that's why it is the SiO2 is the more thermal stability than CO2. In CO2 and SiO2, which of the following is more thermal stability? SiO2 is the more thermal stability due to the more number of sigma bond. It is also very most important, student. And another one is in benzene and cyclohexane, what is the thermal stability? In benzene having that is a double single the conjugation is there, but here and 3 pi bonds are there, and 3 pi bonds and 12 sigma bonds are there, but here in cyclohexane more number of sigma bonds are there. Here more number of sigma bonds are there, the thermal stability also more. So thermal stability depends on number of sigma bonds also. More number of sigma bonds are there, that is the more thermal stability. So thermal stability is directly proportional to the number of sigma bonds also. If more number of sigma bonds are there, thermal stability also more. So this is the important thermal stability order. In benzene and cyclohexane, which one has the highest thermal stability? Cyclohexane is the more thermal stability. And CO2 and SiO2, which of the following out of these two more thermal stability? SiO2 is the more thermal stability, because of SiO2 more number of sigma bonds are there, that's why it is a high thermal stability than CO2. This is the thermal stability. So generally thermal stability is directly proportional to the bond energy. Thank you, students. If you like my video, please like and share and comment. Thank you.